Yeah, man, you too. What's the business? What's the damn deal? Man, what's the play today, y'all? Hey, so your boy gonna cap it up, man, with the install of the Sprint Booster. I put the thing on, y'all. I can't tell you how pleased I am with it, man. I mean, the car much snappier. It make you feel like that torque pulling all the way through, man. It's just, I can't complain. You know, I think it was worth the money. So let's walk through the install. We're gonna go on a little drive, test that thing out, see how things go. And I'll get back to y'all in a minute. But before we do, man, I know y'all see your boy ripping the city for them Rangers, man. Yes, and my Cowboys finna get ready to play. Yes, sir, I did say it, yeah. My Cowboys, rocking with them. Since a little itty bitty boy, man. Hold up, diehard fan, yeah. We doing that. So, hey, y'all watch the install, man. We'll be back in a minute, and we're gonna check that thing out and see what, I guess kind of do a comparison. I'm gonna point y'all in the direction of a guy named Master Chief. He do the whole breakdown of how the Sprint Booster technology came about, and how many, he gonna show you a couple of copycats out there that have taken the technology and tried to make it their own, but no, sir. We riding with the originals over here, baby. Let's see it, man. All right, YouTube, as y'all can see, I got a little cover right here that's blocking where I need to be. See, I need to get up in there on top of that throttle so I can connect that cable, man, and get that Sprint beast hooked up. So I'm gonna get that done. Got a couple tabs, pull tabs to remove. That's one of them. And there it is right there. And I'm gonna get that down, man, and I'll be back with y'all in just a second. I didn't even have to pull that cover down. I popped it off of that top of that throttle right there, or the throttle pedal. And there's the other piece. And all I gotta do is link it back together with the Sprint Booster cable that came. Hold tight. There's where it plugged into the throttle. Then I made it the piece up that I unplugged from the throttle to the Sprint Booster cable. And that right there is where you're gonna plug your little control module. And that's it, y'all. Let me put that control module in and I'll get back to you. So y'all can see that Sprint Booster. So YouTube, as you can see, the control panel is very small. I got it placed right there next to the seat warmer. Show you all the different modes. That's Eco, that's Sport, that's Race mode. You got 9 settings in each mode. So, we're gonna keep that boy in 9 on Race, because you know that's how your boy get down. And then Sport, we're gonna drop it down to, let's start out 3 on Sport. And I'm just gonna mash the gas just at the stump. Okay, as y'all can see, that was just a regular stump. I just pressed all the way to the gas. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and switch it over to race mode and jump that boy all the way 9. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna just start at I'm at a dig, as they say. And I'm gonna do a stomp. Here we go. So you can see that, man, it's got a lot more torque, snappier on the pedal, and I don't got no complaints with it, man. right there in race 9. Man, hold up. The girl snappy, y'all. Ain't your regular 6'1" around this thing, man. You can think that if you want to when you pull up. Stop it, Remy. Don't show 'em, girl. Man, y'all don't hear them old pipes acting a fool. Stop playing. So now y'all, I'm finna turn that joker all the way out. Okay, YouTube. I'm finna do that same stumps. Sprint boosters all the way out. As you can see, the spin not as aggressive when they pull out of there. So y'all hold tight. So, YouTube, y'all let your boy know, man, what you think. Took the little ride with me. Walked y'all through the install. And once again, I want to point y'all in the direction of a dude on YouTube. His name is Master Chief. Put that along, you know, type that in and probably, I guess, put in Sprint Booster V3 with that. Or I think if you just put in Sprint Booster, he'll come up. But again, his name is Master Chief. And he gonna walk you through all the breakdowns of the thing, man. And y'all, you know, you decide. I'm not sure what the pedal box cost or what the pedal commander costs, but I think the Sprint Booster is normally around $300. But at the time I bought it, something was running a nice little sale. I think I paid like $270 for that thing, $269, something. I have to look at my receipt. But anyway, man, y'all let me know in the comments, like, share, subscribe. Watch all the videos, man. Give your boy that mad support that he need so I can get y'all some more content out there. Oh, and also, man, at the end of this video, I'm gonna put, I ain't gonna call it a mod, but it's just a clamp I changed on the water hoses, man, because I was having a little spray out on that the bottom of that water pump on that lower hose. And I fixed that problem. I went out to Summit, got the proper clamps, T-bolt clamps, and I'm gonna show y'all that also, man. So y'all have a blessed day, man. Y'all keep God close. And like I always say, man, be unselfish in this world. Love thy fellow man, man. We're going through hard times, but positivity and love overdo all, man. I'm telling you. But anyway, man, love is love. Y'all stay up. All right, YouTube. So this is the problem I'm having. I'm noticing when that pressure get up in that system, I'm having a little, see how the splashing? That's my coolant, y'all, getting out. Look at my hose right here. See my coolant getting out. And that's because I got that old cheap hose right there. Not cheap hose, I'm sorry. That cheap clamp. But I got that taken care of, y'all. I went over to Summit, man. Let me show y'all what I got. Yeah, so ran over to Summit, y'all. Got me some vibrant race clamp. As y'all can see, that thing heavy duty. Let me open one of them up. Yes, sir. See, that thing heavy duty, man. Ain't no stripping gonna go on with that joker. It's gonna be able to handle that pressure. Yeah, man.